morning, students. Today we have to learn about a minus b bracket q expansion formula. Here a minus b bracket q is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Then you have to see the example on this formula. Problem set 5.3. First example is 2m minus 5 bracket q. Here you remember the formula of this a minus b bracket q using your die. हे तुम्हाला मागचे आपण जो a plus b bracket q याचा आपण जो सूत्र पाहिलं त्यावेळेस मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं या सूत्राचा जो काही फॉर्म्युला आहे त्याचं एक आपल्याला जी डाय म्हणजे त्याचा जो साचा आहे तो साचा फक्त आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. साच्यानुसार त्याचं उत्तर आपल्याला टाकायची असतात. कारण इथे काय a आणि b म्हणजे पहिली टर्म b म्हणजे दुसरी टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकंड टर्म, पहिलं पद दुसरं पद आणि याच्यावर आधारित ते सूत्र असतं. आता इथे what is the formula of this a minus b bracket q? First term q minus 3 into square of the first term into second term plus 3 into first term square of the second term minus cube of second term. In this way, this is the formula of all examples depends on the a minus b bracket q. If you remember this, then you have to solve so many examples because only the first and second term will be different for the different examples, but the formula is same and solving process is also same. Then put the value of this first and second term. Here first term bracket q twice m minus 3 twice m into 5. Here twice m 5. Here 5. Then solve this. 8m cube minus 4 60m square plus 25 into 2 50 into 3 150 and minus 125. In this way, you have to solve the a minus b bracket q on this example. Here only the first and second term will be different for the different examples. In this way, you have to solve many examples on this types of formulas. Here, the application of this formula is to find the cube of any big number. In your practice set, the fifth example is find the cube of the 198. Cube of the 198. Here means 198 into 198 3 times. And this will be not easy for so many students. But using this formula, you have to solve this easily. Then apply the formula on this example. First of all, 198. Here only one term. But here in your expansion, a minus b, first and second term. Then you have to write this 198 into in this form. Then how you can write 200 minus 2 bracket q. 200 minus 2 means 198 and then bracket q. Then apply the same formula for this. Here cube of the first term minus 3 square of first term into second term plus 3 into first term into square of second term minus cube of second term. Then write here cube of 2 8, 6. Then minus 2 square 4. 8 into 3, 24. And then 4. Then plus 2 square 4. 24. 0. Then minus 8. In this way, you have to solve this. Then collect the positive terms and negative terms. The positive terms are 8 plus 240 minus 2 4 plus 8, and find the answer of this example. Each student find answer of this and write the answer here. In this way, we have to solve the example on the a minus b bracket cube formula. Some another examples are mixed one, means a minus b bracket cube plus a plus b bracket cube, and then solve. Then solve same way, then collect the same terms, and then add, subtract, and find the answer of this type of questions. Then here the next expansion formula is a plus b plus c bracket square. What is the meaning of this a plus b plus c bracket square? Means 2 times the multiplication of this a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. Then here also multiply first term to the second bracket, and second term to the second bracket, and third term to the second bracket. Here a into bracket a plus b plus c, then plus b into bracket a plus b plus c, then plus c into bracket a plus b plus c. Then solve in this way: a square plus ab plus ac plus ba plus b square plus bc plus ca plus cb plus c square, and then rearrange and collect the same terms. Then you have to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab. Here this ab is ab plus twice bc plus twice ac. In this way, you have to got the expansion formula of this a plus b plus c bracket cube. Means a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab, twice bc plus twice ac. And then solve the example on this expansion formula. First of all, this expansion formula is written, and remember all students here: a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ac. In this way, you have to solve the example from the exercise 5.4. Practice set 5.4. Then the example is 2p plus q, 2p plus q plus 5 bracket square. So here also you remember the formula and put the value of the same. First upon square of the first term means 2p bracket square plus second term q square plus third 5 plus 2 into 2p into q plus 2 into q into 5 plus 2 into 2p into 5. Then solve this. 4p square plus q square plus 5 plus 25 plus 4pq plus 10q plus 20. In this way, we have to solve the expansion of this 2p plus q plus 5 in bracket square. In this way, you have to solve the another examples given in the practice set 5.4. Then homework for you, you have to solve practice set 5.3, example number 3 and 4, and practice set 5.4, example number also 3 and 4. Write the homework, these 4 examples in your homework, and remember all these 4 formulas of the expansion. In this way, the expansion formula chapter is completed. Thank you.